You've probably seen this car before if you've already subscribed to my channel and frequently watch the videos I upload. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do that right now and hit the notification bell and get it first to check out any of the videos as soon as I upload. Well, behind us, this is the car we put the Lamborghini doors on. Well, there's no issue with the Lamborghini doors, but there is an issue with it heating. Now, no, it's not an issue that I've created on this car. The dealership actually did its first oil change on this car, didn't know how to shut the doors. They damaged the doors, they damaged the quarter panels and had to fix it. There you can see right there where the door made contact with the quarter and did the damage there. And here you can see the quarter panel and all the damage that did to that. Well, when they repaired it, they never adjusted the door. In doing that, they didn't put the door back on and adjust it correctly, so when you shut the door, it actually hits the striker. So we're out here today having to fix GM screw up because dealerships don't know how to work on anything custom. So gotta take the inner fender back off, take the skirt and everything off, readjust the set screw, get these doors fixed right. Well, the first thing we're doing, we've got to take this is a custom flare mud guard. We're going to take it off first. Once we take it off, there's a bunch of Torx head bolts that holds this outer section of this inner fender on. We're just going to take it down enough that we can take that fender and push it in and hopefully get that set screw and be able to adjust it to get that door fixed correct. So hopefully we'll be able to adjust it and torque it down with the socket. There's not a lot of room in here, but we gotta do what we can. We managed to get that door lined up good. The striker's no longer rubbing, but I will point out some damage that the dealership did do to the door panel whenever they were servicing this car and repainting their screw up. Now, that's one thing you need to do when you ever pick your car from the dealership, always check it. But thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to point this out to everyone and have a wonderful weekend.